Okay guys, quick air filter change on this 2019 Lexus RX350. It's similar to many other ones. But here you got two clips, one here, one here. You got these tabs that are slid into notches here, one in the back, one in the front here. And all you gotta do is lift it up. It's a 2-minute job, so anybody can do this. Here's your air filter. Now I recommend cleaning out your air box. I already cleaned out my air box a couple days ago because I was anticipating this. Here's my old filter. Mine was pretty dirty. I actually vacuumed it out and cleaned it temporarily while I waited for the new one. So here's my new one. I will put a link down below to this to make it easy for you. It's the right part number for a 2019 RX350, which probably fits other ones too. The RX is the small SUV. And it's important that you change this and keep an eye on it, because that grit gets into your oil and makes it dirty. So all you do is slide her back in. She only goes one way. It's a rectangle. Just get the gasket seated in the back there. Drop down in there. Just make sure it's all the way in all the corners. Oops, I folded a little lip on the folder, or on the filter, I mean. Make sure that doesn't happen. So everything's back in there. And to the left side here, over here, that back tab, we're gonna cantilever that thing in. Get that tab in, and this other tab, it kind of takes a little shimmying to get over there. You'll feel it seat down there and get all squared in, and you'll see that the tabs are sticking out where I'm tapping here, and in the rear you'll see that tab sticking out properly. And then you'll know because the clips will go back on easily. And that's all there is to it. You got clean air coming into your engine. All right, I appreciate you. Likes and subscribes again. That filter link will be down below to make it easy. Take care.